Heading into 2025, a leading Chinese robotics firm's first bipedal AI robot is set to disrupt the service and hospitality sectors. Before you say, not another humanoid robot, there's a lot going for the Pudu D9. There's a good chance you'll soon run into one of the new AI-powered humanoids from Pudu Robotics, whose robots you might have already encountered without knowing it. Let's take a look at China's latest humanoid robot and how it could potentially disrupt industries globally. Shenzhen-based Pudu Robotics is positioning its D9 bipedal humanoid robot for industries where it already has a strong presence like retail, hospitality, healthcare, and cleaning. The robot's motto, according to Pudu, is "Born to Serve." Standing 170 centimeters or 5 feet 7 inches, the PUDU D9 boasts 42 degrees of freedom. Its arms have 7 degrees of freedom each, with a combined payload capacity of 20 kilos or 44 pounds. The payload capacity is about half that of an average human, its size and weight of 65 kilos or 143 pounds. However, it isn't intended for the same kind of heavy lifting as Chinese industrial humanoids from UB Tech and Kepler Robotics. The D9 is geared toward repetitive and delicate operations in commercial settings. It walks at a pace of up to 2 meters per second or 4.5 miles per hour, matching the speed of a human's brisk walk or slow jog. It navigates stairs and slopes, adapting to diverse terrains with its advanced 3D semantic mapping system. The robot integrates with Pudu's recently unveiled DH11 dexterous hand, which offers 11 degrees of freedom for performing intricate tasks with precision. The Pudu hand has the same reported dexterity as the Generation 2 Tesla Optimus. However, Elon Musk says its prototype of the next-gen Tesla bot's hand has 22 degrees of freedom. He says the dexterity almost matches human hands, which have 27 degrees of freedom. Given the rapid pace China's robots are advancing, it's likely Pudu will have another iteration in 2025 with similar dexterity. Pudu's announcement comes just a few months after the company unveiled the Pudu D9, a so-called semi-humanoid robot. The D9 is designed to get around quickly with its omnidirectional chassis in places like hotels and hospitals. Pudu introduced the half-humanoid with a video of it operating an elevator independently. While Pudu doesn't get as much press as perceived leaders in humanoid robotics like Tesla and Figure, or buzzy upstarts like Engine AI and Clone, it has some serious advantages. The company says its extensive customer base positions it to accelerate maturity of its AI-powered humanoids. Pudu Robotics has spent the last decade breaking into industries with novel technologies globally. Today, the company says it has more than 80,000 robots deployed throughout 60 countries. Its high-profile clients include Marriott, Hilton, McDonald's, and both Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Not only does Pudu have a large account base to sell into, it's also set up for support with more than 600 service centers. Launched in 2016, Pudu introduced its first delivery robot called PUDU Bot in 2019.
Place the items on the tray and tap on the table number to start the delivery. It's that simple. Your food is on the way, and we'll be right with you. PUDU Bot can also identify obstacles and respond quickly, no matter how busy the environment might be.
The premium suspension system ensures that the tray is stable
even after an emergency break, so your food arrives in one piece.
Enjoy your meal. I'll be happy to handle any more orders for you.
The company has submitted over 1,600 global patents and registered nearly 1,300 trademarks. Pudu's offerings include commercial delivery robots like Bellabot and Kedibot, which are used in places like restaurants, hotels, and retail stores.
So if someone happens to step out in front of her, she will stop. And if they continue to stand in front of her, she will ask them to move so that she can get back to work. And she might try and go around them, but she won't run into them. So there's stickers on the ceiling, and she's got a sensor at the very top of her head that reads it. And that's how she knows where she is in the restaurant and where the tables are.
Cleaning robots like the Pudu CC1 and Pudu SH1, which incorporate AI-powered navigation for industrial and commercial settings.
It's not only a cleaning robot, it's more than that. is actually an intelligent and multifunctional device. It's designed for commercial spaces such as hotels, restaurants, the office buildings, you name it.
Right.
And the T300 industrial delivery robot, which operates 24/7 with a 300-kilo payload capacity. Pudu also just introduced its MT1 AI-powered robotic sweeper for large-scale cleaning jobs in places like warehouses and department stores. It features advanced navigation and real-time trash recognition capabilities. Pudu says the sweeper's battery lasts up to 6 hours. Pudu's open platform serves as the backbone for controlling and customizing its robots. The Android-based operating system allows developers to adjust navigation, human-robot interaction, and task-specific behaviors. Pudu says the platform supports interoperability so different Pudu machines can work together or alongside third-party systems. Pudu X Lab, the company's R&D wing, developed the D9 and D7 humanoids. While they're in the experimental phase now, the humanoids could soon take on tasks for Pudu's customers that require human-like mobility and dexterity. Pudu is unleashing its humanoids as the company actively scales manufacturing capacity to accommodate growth. The company recently opened a new superfactory in Jiangsu in the Yangtze River Delta, one of China's most economically developed and strategically important regions. The 40,000 square meter factory uses advanced manufacturing tech to boost production and quality. The factory is where Pudu celebrated the rollout of its 80,000th robot, the CC1 commercial cleaning robot. Pudu Robotics is experiencing significant growth in Japan, where it faces competition from the likes of Alpha Robotics, whose service robots are increasingly in demand.
Hello, sir. This is our snow service robot. Hello, boss. This is our speedy boat hotel delivery robot. Hello, sir. This is our alley service robot. Hello, sir. This is our Timo service robot. Hello, sir. This is our panda delivery robot. This is our factory.
In the US, California-based Bear Robotics also specializes in AI-powered autonomous service robots for the hospitality, healthcare, and retail industries. The company, which was launched in 2017, announced a $60 million Series C funding round earlier in 2024, exclusively led by LG Electronics. The investment is intended to help break Bear Robotics into new markets, including smart warehousing and supply chain automation. In China, Pudu faces competition from the likes of Kenan Robotics, which makes service and delivery bots, Gaussian Robotics, known for advanced commercial cleaning robots, and UBTech, which has a suite of humanoid and service robots for diverse applications. To keep up with whatever happens in humanoid robotics in 2025 and beyond, make sure to subscribe.